Hello and welcome to our channel where we explore various health and lifestyle topics. Today, we're going to talk about the health benefits of what happens when you stop eating sugar. Many of us consume a lot of sugar without even realizing it, and it can be hard to cut back. However, cutting back on sugar can have many benefits for your health. In this video, we'll discuss some of these benefits and explain how you can make the transition to a low sugar diet. Cutting back on sugar can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Consuming too much sugar can lead to chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. By reducing your sugar intake, you can lower your risk of developing these diseases. Another benefit of eating less sugar is weight loss. Sugar is high in calories and can contribute to weight gain. By cutting back on sugar, you can reduce your calorie intake and lose weight. Improved dental health. Sugar can cause tooth decay and cavities. By reducing your sugar intake, you can improve your dental health. Cutting back on sugar can lead to better skin. Sugar can cause inflammation in the body, which can lead to skin problems like acne and wrinkles. By cutting out sugar, you can improve the appearance of your skin. Increase energy level. Consuming too much sugar can lead to energy crashes. By reducing your sugar intake, you can stabilize your blood sugar levels and have more sustained energy throughout the day. Improved mood. Sugar can affect your mood and lead to mood swings. By reducing your sugar intake, you can improve your overall mood and reduce the risk of depression and anxiety. Cutting back on sugar can lead to better sleep. Consuming too much sugar can disrupt your sleep patterns. By reducing your sugar intake, you can improve the quality of your sleep. Tips for reducing sugar intake. Read food labels carefully and look for hidden sources of sugar. Replace sugary drinks with water or unsweetened alternatives. Choose whole foods over processed foods. Use natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup instead of refined sugar. Cook at home and avoid eating out as much as possible. Try to gradually reduce your sugar intake to avoid cravings and withdrawal symptoms. In conclusion, reducing your sugar intake can have many health benefits. By following the tips we discussed, you can make the transition to a low sugar diet and improve your overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and lifestyle videos.